This is a 3-month plan to explode your social media. Ryan, short form king. Let's say somebody's getting started on social media right now. They want to grow their social media as fast as possible. How would they go about it?
For the next 90 days, posting 1 video a day.
1 video a day for 90 days.
You got to film 90 videos. That should take you maybe 4 hours. Most of these people aren't going to be hitting 90 videos in one. So you're going to break it up maybe once a week, film for like an hour, maybe 2 hours each week, 1 video every 5 minutes. You should be able to get 20 videos in 2 hours.
20 videos.
If you're not, you need to work out more. Now, you're probably asking, well, what do I make the videos about? So we have 90 videos that we need to make. I have a framework, it's called the HEM framework. The H stands for hobbies and interests. The E stands for your expertise.
Expertise.
And your M stands for your mastery.
Mastery.
Now, here's how you break that down. The hobbies and interests, these should be things that you do for fun. In your case, technology, you enjoy iPads and tech. Some of you might have hobbies you make money from, but that's not the goal. You should be able to make these videos and they're just fun.
Okay.
These are the videos that are going to get you the most reach.
Hobbies and interests. All right.
Chances are you share a lot of interests and hobbies as other people. So you're going to be able to make videos about that gets broad reach.
Okay.
Let's say you play pickleball or you like cycling, puppies and cats. Those are interests. Expertise is anything that you've like made money from in the past.
So this is like shit you good at.
Yeah. Let's say you were a really good valet and you got a lot of tips valeting cars. Like you've been paid to valet, so you have an expertise in driving cars. And then the M is mastery.
Mastery?
That's the shit that's getting you rich. And if you haven't gotten rich yet, you probably shouldn't be talking about mastery yet. I know how to grow accounts, so I have a mastery in that. So I make videos about that. You know how to help people make a lot of money from the internet.
Yeah, I know.
You have a mastery about
I mastered shitting on haters, stunning on the hoes.
Yeah, you're really good at trading stocks.
Really good at trading stocks, flexing on
You
the
have a
broke
mastery
boys.
in that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You know, now, the expertise and mastery, they
Curving
might...
your mama.
I don't even know what that is.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's hope you never find out. All right.
So now that you have that, you just start making topics. Start coming up with video ideas.
You make topics off of this one.
Yep, because you're going to run out of shit to say. So you need to have an ongoing document where you're always coming up with topics. Like
Got it.
iPhone notes, Google Drive, all that shit's free. You're not going to find anything on the internet that's going to do this for you. So you got to come up with this shit.
You're saying, look at the HEM
The HEM.
framework, make a list, start coming up with topics. I have an Apple Note. Every time I think of a video idea, I put it in there. I also have a Notion.
It should be ongoing. It's never going to stop.
It's never gonna stop.
Because you're a content creator now.
And it's difficult to come up with that many videos on the fly. What's the editing like?
For these first 90, you don't need to edit them.
So one of these videos should go up every day. Did you do the same video on
Across
every
all the
platform?
platforms.
You don't stagger them like, oh, this one, but the same video.
And despite what the world wants you to believe, it does not matter what time you post a video.
That's a big thing.
Post that shit at 4 a.m. Just post the video. Doesn't matter. The whole point of this 90 days is you need to be able to get quicker at filming, because at some point, yes, you are going to have to get an editor and you're going to have to take this seriously because you're competing with everybody.
You're just trying to get your fucking name
But if
on
you-
board. Because I used to batch my content too. What I would do is, even before the short form content was a thing, I would batch my content like this one, right? 2 million views. It's me and Brian working out. There's no editing the actual video. In the software I used, I just had this like as a template. That's why I had so many 4-minute ass video. I just literally dropped the video in the template. That day, we filmed like fucking 20 workout videos.
Yeah,
The only thing I would change is the workout.
Editing is like the sprinkles on the cake. Like, you go viral because of how you say what you say.
Yeah, people like
And
when I talk.
you need to get good at speaking. You need to get good at being controversial and having strong opinions about things.
Only drink sparkling water. You only drink rich man's water.
If you're naturally that person, then you probably have a lot of videos in you. If you're like, if people would say that you're very opinionated, like, you probably be a good content creator. Because that's the only way you're going to stand out now, is you have to kind of,
You got to stand out.
you got to be divisive.
You got to be provocative, but you also got to be prolific. If you're not putting out at least 1 video a day, then I don't think you're really trying.
Yeah, I would say, I mean, for 90 days, then the way that I would break it down is you need to go to 2 videos a day after 90 days for like 3 to 4 months. Do another like program. Be like, I'm going to up the intensity here. I'm going to go film 2 videos a day. It's the same thing you're doing. Now your topic list gets a little bigger. You spend a little more time coming up with topics. Now, if you have to write scripts for these videos, good luck.
Yeah.
You ain't going to be able to do the volume to grow. And
I ain't never wrote a script or YouTube video.
if you have to write a script, you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
How long should the videos be?
I would say focus on being good under a minute. and then start getting longer.
Because that's easier. It's easier to expand on your topics than it is to be more concise.
Most of your good educational videos, which is probably what everybody's going to be making, education to a degree, is going to fall somewhere in the 40 to 60 second range.
Do they need a special camera for this, man?
Oh, man, phones
This is the iPhone, right?
At some point, if you want to batch content faster, you might need to invest in a camera that's mounted to a tripod and have somebody hit start, stop. The whole thing about like equipment is it helps you do things faster. And yes, the videos have a crispier look if you get the lighting right, but that's not saying you can't do it with a phone.
This video I show you here, man, 3 million views. It was an iPhone. It was legit an iPhone. Yeah.
I mean that video on yours,
or some shit.
the video on your channel that we did talking about watches at the pool, was filmed on an iPhone.
Like 10 million views, right?
Yeah,
Or something like that. Just
like,
with the iPhone.
The camera doesn't matter. The editing doesn't matter. It's what is being said. And if you struggle to make videos, the easiest thing to do is just start talking to people and have somebody record it. Like, like ask people questions. But there's an art to doing it good. Like, just because you do that doesn't mean you're going to go viral. You have to ask the right questions. You have to say the right thing. And then once you get to 2 a day and you're doing that good, then you can go to 4 a day.
4 a day.
And then you can go to 6 a day.
Yeah.
What people don't understand is like short form content compounds, just like long form content.
Yeah.
For a year, if you did 1 video a day for 90, 2 videos a day for 90, and then you jump to 6 videos a day, you just get better, faster.
Got it.
By the end of the year, it's like on one singular platform, you've posted like 1,000 videos. Quadruple that across all 4 platforms. In 1 year, you posted like 4,000 pieces of content across the internet. Now, if you posted 4,000 videos, and you haven't made any money, or nothing good is happening,
happening,
you probably should quit and go get a job.